Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Threads app. Click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Here you can see the edit profile option. Click on it. Click on the profile picture just beside the name option. Here you can directly click on new profile picture option, or you can click on remove current picture option and add a new profile picture afterwards. Here I'm gonna click on new profile picture. This will take you to your photos in gallery. Select any picture you like and click on the next button. Here you can add a filter and edit your picture according to your preference. I'm gonna keep as it is and tap on next. Now click on the done button, and that is how you can change your profile picture on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.